Welcome to Pacific Education, where we provide valuable resources and tips to help you develop your English language skills. In today's video, we will be discussing the benefits of extensive reading and providing you with some tips on how to improve your vocabulary, grammar, and overall comprehension through reading. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced English learner, incorporating these tips into your reading routine can help you become more confident and fluent in your communication. So let's get started. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your English language skills, but it can be difficult to know where to start. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your reading practice. Choose appropriate reading materials. To improve your English language skills, it's important to choose reading materials that are appropriate for your level of proficiency. For example, if you are a beginner, you may want to start with simple children's books or graded readers, such as the Oxford Bookworms series. If you are more advanced, you may challenge yourself with more complex texts, such as To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. Take notes. Jot down new words, phrases, and expressions that you come across while reading. This can help you to remember them and incorporate them into your own vocabulary. Example, if you read a sentence like "She was ecstatic when she found out she got the job," you can write down the word ecstatic and its definition, which means extremely happy or overjoyed. Look up unfamiliar words. When you encounter unfamiliar words or phrases, don't hesitate to look them up in a dictionary. For example, if you are reading a novel and you come across the word ennui, look it up to understand its meaning. That means feelings of being bored and not satisfied because nothing interesting. This will help you to expand your vocabulary and to understand the text more fully. Use context clues. Pay attention to the context in which words and phrases are used to help you understand their meanings. Example, if you come across the word conundrum in a sentence like "Solving this puzzle is quite a conundrum," you can infer that it means a difficult problem or situation. Practice grammar. Pay attention to the grammar and sentence structure in the texts you are reading. This can help you to internalize the rules of English grammar and improve your own writing and speaking skills. Example, if you read a sentence like "The dog chased the ball," you can identify the subject, verb, and object of the sentence and note how they are arranged in a grammatically correct way. Expand your horizons. Don't limit yourself to just one type of reading material. Explore a variety of genres, from fiction to non-fiction, to build your knowledge and expand your vocabulary. Example, if you typically read only news articles, try reading a novel or a biography. This can expose you to new words and sentence structures that you may not encounter in other types of writing. Read aloud. Reading aloud can help you to improve your pronunciation and intonation in English. For example, if you are reading a poem, try to read it aloud, paying attention to the rhythm and stress of the language. Practice summarizing. After you have finished reading, practice summarizing what you have read in your own words. For example, if you have read an article about climate change, try to summarize the main points in a few sentences. This will help you to develop your comprehension skills and to reinforce your understanding of the language. By incorporating these tips into your reading routine, you can make significant progress in your English language skills and become a more effective communicator. Thanks for watching, and be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to Pacific Education for more language learning tips and tricks.